I think we had the space in our garden and we had a south-facing garden. We thought that would add some, additional living space. I think especially for like our social, like when you have people around and we're dining, like we have the doors open. Like I can't wait. The weather's getting warmer to barbecue. You can have the food inside and everyone's outside. Like even on a rainy day, like we always seem to be in there. That you're just drawn to go and sit there. So like we've got 2 other living spaces and we all want to go there.
So I think I found them, didn't I? And so I was researching for some extensions, orangeries, conservatories. We found ConservatoryLand. I love the way that they kind of put things together, like solid material, for a good price. They had a good range of different types of orangeries. Typically, like when you get an extension of conservatory, I wouldn't imagine you can go to the factory to be able to go and see what the building process and the quality of the products that were there. So we thought it was a great opportunity for us to go up there. They were super helpful. So from the moment that we first engaged with the salesman,
I remember measuring it out, and then when the first time the installers came in, they measured it with us. They were lovely. Like they measured it twice with us. I was like, please, like I even made them put objects on the ground. So I was like, I cannot envision it, but I'm so happy because they recommended like, you might as well go out this much more out. They just made it more visual for us and just helped us with size. And I don't know how many times we phoned back and said, we've changed it.
At the end of the day, you want speed. And because we've had so much other stuff going on, to get a turnaround in 4 days, which was awesome for us.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend it to one of our friends, and definitely recommend it to anyone else.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's great customer service, great product, and it's an extraordinary living place, additional living place into your house.